lumber.
What kind?
Wood. We took up a collection. Get us all the wood you can for this much, please.
Paper or plastic?
$450 for lumber? Where are we gonna get that kind of moolah? I don't know. You know what they say, wood doesn't grow on trees. Hey, you guys, come here. What's up? All in favor, say yo 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 yo. Thank you, my good man.
Six kids, hard-working father, honest and trustworthy, loan denied.
Hello, my good man.
Gentlemen, have a seat.
Can we sit down? Are you kidding? We can't sit down, my good man.
What may I do for you?
We want to take out a hefty loan.
Of course, of course. Do you have an account with us?
And how?
What is your account number?
7.
7. 7.
Try 8. 8?
Heard enough.
Ouch!
If you were my kids, I'd punish you.
If we were your kids, we'd punish ourselves.
Leave the premises, post haste.
You can't treat people this way, mister.
You're not people. You're kids.
Thank you. Good luck.